Happy Friday, test drivers. It's Dan Merkin, your CEO. I want to thank you for participating in this incredible test drive that we've had. And I want to show you just how amazing it feels to have our software. And watch what I'm going to do here as I adjust my stop, locking in. Well, let's just keep going here. I'm going to lock in $4,000 of profit in Minerva. Okay, and I've gotten into Minerva earlier because it's been all over the races. I've been in it for I think 2 days. But this is what we look for. It's catching these kinds of moves when they turn it around. Look what it did when it went up and then came all the way back down and then rebounded strongly. And this is what you do, and this is where Trade Ideas stands apart. Hope you understand the value of this as this test drive concludes and you're making your decision on what you want to do with your subscription dollars. Thank you.